the Sultan who built the greatest empire of the Islamic world. All conquests and battles of Osman Ghazi historically. One Battle of Tol al-Aman. Uthman's first battle, and he was defeated and his nephew was martyred. To the victory of Karacahisar fort, which is the first victory of Osman. 3 Battle of Domanic Othman won, but lost his elder brother Sofji. 4 Inauguration of Karacahisar fort, it was shown in the series that Ertuğrul conquered it, but the truth is that it was Osman who conquered it historically. After these successive conquests and conquests, the Seljuk Sultan gave him the title of Bak, and gave another title, which is Hazrat Osman Ghazi al-Mazban. Border Guard Supreme Osman Shah, golden war daggers and tags, caps worn on the heads of princes, swords and gilts, a silver saddle, and 100,000 dirhams, which the Seljuk vizier Abd al-Aziz had taken to him. This was also included in the decree. Osman Ghazi should be mentioned in Friday sermons by the Seljuk Sultan of Osman in the periods under his control. The Seljuk Sultan also allowed Osman Ghazi to issue coins bearing his name and gifted him the fortress of Eskişehir. This gave Othman great strength, and he decided to continue his conquests. 6. Conquered Ginak Fort. 7. Conquest of Turakoli Fort. Then the Seljuks in the Battle of Kusako. There was a crushing defeat due to which his kingdom was captured, and the Mongol governor Begun Nayan was appointed as the governor of Anatolia. Nayan also showed this series to be Ertugrul's enemy, but he never met him historically. Sultan Osman then sent 3 armies towards the forts. 8. Bilecik, led by Abdul Rahman Ghazi. 9. Yarhisar was led by Ghazi Osman. 1. İnegöl Castle led by Turgut Ghazi. They conquered them at the same time, and after that, Osman decided to break away from the Seljuk state and established the Ottoman Empire, and then Osman made more conquests. 11. Conquered the fort of Karacahisar. 12. Inauguration of Yenihir Castle, moved his capital to it. 13. Battle of Bapheus against the army sent by Emperor Andronikos II, and Osman is victorious. 14. The Battle of Dembos was fought again by the Emperor's army, and Osman won it. 15. Conquered the city of Kaita. 16. Conquest of the city of Kastel. 17. Open city of Loblog. 18. Inauguration of the city of Lefka. 19. Conquest of Mukja city. 20. Conquest of the city of Jiva. 21. Victory of Yomakuva. 22. Conquest of Akisa fort. 23. The Harmanica fortress was conquered after its leader, Michael Kossis, converted to Islam, and after 30 years of enmity, Kossis became one of Osman's most powerful friends. 24. Orkhan Ghazi conquered Karagash fort by order of Sultan Osman. 5. Madonia city was also conquered by Uthman's orders. 26. Conquest of the city of Ordanis by Orkhan by order of Uthman. 27. Inauguration of Ayazi Castle. 28. Inauguration of Akjakuja Castle. 29. Conquest of Yalova. 30. After a siege lasting 9 years, the city of Bursa was conquered by Orkhan Ghazi on the orders of Osman. Bursa was Osman Ghazi's last victory. Ghazi Osman ruled the Kai clan and the Ottoman Empire for a long time, and spent a long time in battles and conquests. May Allah forgive Sultan Osman Ghazi's sins and raise his ranks.